Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain about the latest update of Zoom. Let's have a new meeting to talk about the avatar feature gained by the latest update in Zoom. Let's discuss what is avatar. Avatar means the face in which recognize and create a computer made like a cartoon, and it's not like the movie Avatar. In both movie and cartoon, it's a face created in the computer in our face, which computerized and made by like cartoons and any other things like Marvel films like that. So let's uh, I'm going to the uh, video settings in Zoom. Now you can see my face, and I am open the settings of the Zoom. Now I am in the virtual background category. I click that. So in first updates we can create a background of virtual background in our surrounding, and then from next update the Zoom give us a video filter which can add more video filters, and we can enjoy that really. So it's great, but newest update in Avatar which give something like a cartoon movie. It's great, isn't it? We can it's changed the all the face recognition, and it is really sensitive, which means if we all the things can be showing as a computerized cartoon character, and there are few more we can choose some uh, characters, but it is only about animal characters. But from future updates the Zoom will give us new characters like, and we can add custom characters, virtual character avatars, so it will be great. mm, Always Zoom give us a great opportunity to for our commercial, for anyone's commercial, it and other personal, we can have a meeting from friends. It's really great. Also from new update we have a whiteboard facility in our tabs. uh, it's not the gain from the share screen, and we can also get it from share screen to in the previous updates, and now also we can get it. But there's a new tab called whiteboards, and we can create whiteboards to collaborate. The extreme experience have been new, and it is really great to we can have more facilities and features. We can have more text, stickers, sticky notes, erase, and draw. All the things have new, and this is you can get this from the latest update of Zoom. So thank you for watching this video. I will bring you the all the uh, Zoom updates and all the other tech um, experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Action Studio.